exciting day today.
Let's take a look at our 2024 race gears.
It's the first time I get to see the kit.
Surprising for you and for me. Okay, that's interesting. Slightly different than last year.
Little color, ponton effect everywhere here. That matches the car, very nice. Alpine Star boots with my logo here, so that's always awesome. Beauties.
And there we go. This is the 2024 race suit. It's quite similar to last year, but just with a slight difference on the side with the Pantone specters.
Matches the car. Hope you've seen the car. Hope you like the car. New sponsor, Timekeeper for us, which we have here. So very nice.
All right, so that's our new gloves for this year.
To keep fingers warm, where we have the watch as well. Same watch. Pretty cool. Here. That's fit, very nice, look at that. Awesome. Suited and booted, let's go.